This conference will now be recorded.
Right. Let's start today's session. So in the last lesson, we were discuss about token authentication. Okay. So we have seen the application, last application that is REST app 14. So we create a model. Okay, this is the model actually. We create a serializer.py and we seen views.py. But in this, we have not implemented any token authentication. Okay. So today we'll see token-based authentication, how to work with the token authentication clearly. So let's start with token authentication. And in the last lecture, we discussed actually there are different ways to create tokens. So four ways to create tokens. And in that four ways, I showed already two ways to create a token. One is using Django admin panel, and one more is using what we can say python space manage.py command. And today we'll see two more options are there, how to generate tokens. After that options, I would like to show you test the tokens, test the API based on token authentication here. Okay, so let me start with token authentication clearly. Give me 1 second. I'm sharing the screen. Yeah, now you're able to see the screen now. So now coming to this. So we created models and we created serializers and we have created views also section here. So now coming to this, previously we generate token in two different ways. So I'll show you how to generate tokens in two different ways. We'll see this. So first one is this is generating a token using admin interface. So generating a token using manage.py command. We create token in two different ways in the last lecture, but already the two users are having tokens. Now you can see I'm trying to show you admin panel. So once you try to run server, python space manage.py, python space manage.py, run server. So run server, and now you can see here, click on this, and now I'm trying to go to admin panel. So slash admin. Okay, now what is the super user name here? I'm trying to take super user, I think so, Mohan, and Mohan. Click on login. Now you can see the users are having tokens. Click on tokens. Which users are having tokens clearly available? So the Kiran user is having token, and this Kiran, for Kiran user, I create a token using python space manage.py command. And also Mohan user is also having token. So Mohan user also having token clearly. This is two ways to generate tokens are there. But total how many users are there? You can see three users are there. Now I need to generate a token for Shanvi. So how to generate token for Shanvi means, so I will show you clearly. So two users are there, Kiran and Mohan. Shanvi user is don't have token. So I need to generate token for Shanvi user here. So first you can see this generating token for API exposing endpoint. So this is the third option to generate token. Generate token by exposing API endpoint. For this purpose, I strongly recommend to install HTTPy. So look at this HTTPy, PIE is there. So what is HTTPy? HTTPy pronounced as HTTPy is command line HTTP client to make CLI interaction. CLI interaction means command line interaction. We can say that CLI interaction means. So with web services as human friendly as possible, and HTTP provides simple HTTP command that allows for sending arbitrary HTTP request using simple and natural syntax and display the beautifully colorized output will be there. That is HTTP. If you want to install HTTP, so then go to terminal and type the following command: pip space install space httpie. So let's try to install immediately. So I'm just moving towards terminal. Pip space install space http I can say that pip space install space http. So this is the step actually: pip space install space http. Then press enter. Now you can see requirement already satisfied is there in my mission because already I included HTTP previous project. So that's what requirement already software already satisfied it's saying. No need to install here. So once HTTP installed, then what we need to do in the URL configuration, we have to set this compulsory, sir. REST underscore framework dot auth token dot views import obtain authentication token we have to include. Where we have to include this into application level URLs. You are working with application level URLs now, so we can go for application level URLs. So REST app 14 application level URLs are there here. So let's go to URLs, and now I'm trying to import on the top. So this is the importing REST framework dot auth token dot views import obtain auth token. So this is one. And after that we need to set one more URL here. Let's see, this one more URL means this is get token obtain auth token we have to include. This URL we have to include, sir. And including this URL clearly by producing comma here. Yes. So we are using this endpoint only to generate a token by exposing API endpoint. So get a token, obtain auth token. This obtain auth token already present over the top. Now you can see obtain auth token. We are generating token by exposing API endpoint. So by using get token name, so we are going to generate the token. After completion of these settings, simply go to command prompt, and now you can see here uh, you can pass this HTTP. This link you have to pass. Okay, slash HTTP space HTTP colon 127.0.0.18000 get token username equal to Shanvi, password you can use, password you can provide, and what we can say, automatically for Shanvi user token will be generated. So this is generating token by exposing API endpoint clearly. Let me generate token by exposing API endpoint here. Let's control C, clear screen. What is required here in the terminal? So HTTP space, again HTTP colon. Okay, so be careful while typing 127.0.0.1 colon 8000. 8000 is the port number. Dash get token is there here. Get token endpoint dash space username equals to, what is that username? Shanvi. I'm trying to take Shanvi username, and password equals to, I think I've written Mohan at the rate of 123. So this is my password. If wrong, I will create a new user, not a problem. This is the way to create a token by exposing API endpoint, then press enter. So now you can see automatically this is what actually no connection could be because target mission actively refused it, it is saying. So that is the meaning is what you know. So first we need to clear the screen, and first we need to start the server. Python space manage.py run server we can go with. Okay, run server. After run server you can open the new window here. After new window, then we need to type this http colon slash slash 127.0.0.1 colon 8000 dash. I can say get token slash, then username equals to Shanvi, username equals to Shanvi, and then password equals to what you know, Mohan at the rate of 123. We'll try with this. Now we can see the token is successfully generated. For which user? Shanvi user. So first we need to start the server. You should be active the server. After that you can go to other window and type this command like this, same command. Okay, HTTP IP address get token username and password. So this will create a token for Shanvi user. So you can see what token is generated. 4D token name is starting 0E3. Even you can go to admin panel. Now you can see many tokens are there here. Shanvi user also got token or not? Yes. So this token I generated in previous lecture by going to admin panel, like add a token. This token I generated previously by moving python space manage.py command in terminal. And this token just now I generated by using what you know, just expose API exposing endpoint. So using get token name. Now there is one more way is there. Okay, token generation. This is fourth option I'm showing. Generating token by using signal concept. So signal concept is in Django we were discuss signaling. So the moment when user is created, signal will send it to the server. When signal will send to the server, automatically token will be generated. That is what I'm uh, taking generate token by using signals concept now. So let's see this how to generate tokens by using signals concept. So to do this, first we need to go for in the models.py file. In the signals, we have to use it. Okay, so you can see django.configuration import settings, django.db.model signals import post save signal I'm using. Post save means after student after inserting a record, I want to send the signal. So signal receiver is there, authentication token, models token, import token is there. So these namespaces are required for generating token via signaling. But I am saying that option number 3 and 4, all options are very easy to create, but only signal option is it is little bit complex to create. But it doesn't mean that compulsory we need to create a token like this. You can create token for any option by exposing API endpoint or admin panel or Python space manage.py or signal. So when we use generally signals means to generate tokens, defaultly by default whenever the user is created, automatically do you want to generate for them token, you can go for signals. Now you can see in admin panel three users are there, Shanvi, Kiran, Mohan, and these persons are having token. But next to one more user if I create immediately in admin panel, automatically signal will send for that user, token also will be generated. That's what I'm showing, generating token by using signal. So this is signal code actually. Receiver and create authentication token method is available. Where I need to keep this code means in the model only. So create auth underscore token is a method. Post save signal. Sender is settings dot authentication user model. Instance is none. Created is false means before only, not created. If created, if user is created, token dot objects dot create user means current instance token will be created. So now you can go to admin panel and now you can see in this case as soon as we create user through signal, automatically token will be created. Let's try to run the server and let me go to admin panel. I'd like to show you as soon as when user created token is generated or not. Let me show you. So Python space manage.py run server update. Python space manage.py run server. Now admin panel, I'm just moving. So admin panel slash admin. Now admin panel is open. So look at this. Users, right now these three users are there. These three users already having token. But the moment I'm trying to create a token, so I'm adding user. The moment when we create user Durga and password is Mohan at the rate of 123 and password confirmation Mohan at the rate of 123. The moment when we create this user Durga user, automatically user is created. But for this user through signals token also generated. Look at this token is generated. This is all the way I'm showing what how to generate tokens. So option number one, generating token by admin panel by using add token, generating token by using terminal window like python space manage.py, get drf underscore get underscore create underscore token equal to username, and generating token by exposing API endpoint, generating token by using signals. So four options are there to generate tokens. So four tokens are there. You can use any one of this token and you can try to access your API. But here be careful, especially while implementing token authentication. Okay, so you cannot able to use your normal command prompt like this. Look at this command prompt is there. See command prompt. So to test your API for generating for token through, so command prompt will not work. PowerShell will work. So that's what I recommend to use PowerShell only here. Now it's time to test your API, sir. You can see example to test API using token authentication. I'm saying example to test API using token authentication. So already application is there, sir. Models are there, admin pathway, records also there, serializers also there, views also there, everything is there. But here in the view section, we need to do what? Token authentication. We need to include. How to include in the view section? View section, you can go to here from REST framework dot from REST framework dot authentication import token authentication from REST framework dot permissions import is authenticated. I'm trying to do this. Yes, authenticated must. Now we need to implement two things now. Authentication classes equals to token authentication. Permission classes equals to is authenticated compulsory. So in this previously I was not implemented. So two classes need to be added in the view section. Authentication classes equals to token authentication. We have a tokens right now. Permission classes equals to what? So is authenticated. Yes, fine, sir. After doing this, now we can see in the URL section, so router configuration is ready. So now you can see router configuration is clearly available. Router authentication. Okay, so you can try to insert the record, update the record by using this token generation. So how to generate this token generation means, so manager model view set is your view set name. So have you configured this URLs into project level? Let me say REST app 14 we are working. Let me check in project level URLs whether it is REST app 14 URLs are there. Yes, 14 URLs are there. So URL configuration, no problem at all. View things not a problem. Serializer not a problem. Models not a problem. But I need to show you the table right now. How many records already existing in the REST app 14 dot manager table? I think two records are available here. Let's include this. Okay. Just previously I included these two records. We have to include. We have to read it and write it and all these operations we have to do. First, what I'm trying to do, you can see this. Now, after login into admin panel, create a new user and insert few records. Yes, I have already in admin panel, not a problem. So we have records also there. So now open in new terminal and test your API with token authentication by following commands only. So first what we need to do, sir? First we need to, I will show you in command prompt. So what is the problem? You can see this, okay? Obviously you will not able to test your API by using command prompt. Only PowerShell through only we can test your API right now. But anyway, I'm showing once. Anyway, we'll get errors. Python space manage.py run server. First we have to do this one. After running server successfully, then you have to go to new window. Okay, new window. And in this new window, to test your API for inserting record by using token, so we need to follow this command, sir. Let me copy this statement. Okay, so token I'm not copying because this is not our token. No, okay, already we have a token. I'll use that token now. Now you can see this is copy. Better to go to notepad so you will get clarity. So which command do you can copy? Okay, you can remove this dot. So this I am copying here. So but before that you can check out manager view set is there here, but here in the URL section of your REST app 14 URLs, what is the name is there? You can manager model view set is there, not manager view set. So this I am changing into here. So it is what actually manager model view set. It's compulsory required to change. So this I am copying and pasting, sir. Here, look at this HTTP in the URL section. I'm copying and pasting. But where is your token? Yes, I have to generate token. My token is available in admin panel. I'm using this token here, Mohan user token. So any token you can use, not a problem. Copy this token and place them into here token space token and give the colon and press enter. You will get error. Look at this, there is a problem actually. The reason is generally when we are working with token based authentication, we cannot able to test this via command prompt. So that's what I strongly recommend to use PowerShell window. How to use PowerShell window means you can go to drop down list here and click on settings. After click on settings, you can see in the cell path cmd.exe is there. We have to use PowerShell.exe now. So PowerShell.exe I'm saving here. Click on OK and close this local window here. Now terminate it and let me open again. Now you can see we are into PS. PS means PowerShell. First we need to run the server here. Python space manage.py run server, run server. After that you can go to new window. New window I'm opening. Now in this new window I'm copying this code because this is our path actually 8000 server manager model website authorization token. Okay, authorization token. I'm generating this authorization token. So I'm using what actually inserting the record. So how to generate token means clearly you can see this. So this is the token actually. Okay, this is the token for reading the records. So this token I'm ignoring, but token already there. So where it is there, you can see this token I'm copying into admin panel. This token I'm copying this, and where I'm pasting here, you can see here I'm pasting token, and click on single colon and press enter. You got reading the records. Again, we are getting some error. So, Misa, I'll show you what is that. So you have to be careful while working with this HTTP token. Let me show you. Token is there. But the thing is what you know. Mm, I want to generate token. Let me try with this. It should work compulsory, but we did some mistake. I think so. That's what it's not able to do this. I'm generating token. Why it's not working? We'll see this. Okay. Authorization is okay. Authorization is correct. I'll show you that. What is the problem? See here. Yes, space is there. Actually, I think that there is no space. Copy this and try with this. And after that, I'm copying this token. And now you can see token also I'm copying. Sorry, space is required. You have to be careful while working with the token. Otherwise, there is a problem actually. You are set. Seeing this error, you have code debug, debug equals to code. Again, there is a problem. Let me show you. Manager model view set M capital, V capital. Manager model view set M capital, V capital, S capital. It's correct only one. That's all. Let me restart the server. Let's go to local window. In this local window, I think we have to move to our application location also. Let me try with this cd space rest app open, and I'll try to use this now. After that space I'm giving, okay. Then token I'm copying. Token and paste it here and then run. But in the offline session it was working clearly, but why it is happening here? This is the common headache we are facing every time. Token authentication is difficult to manage that. So let me anyway I try it clear. Python space manage py run server, okay. I'm moving PowerShell window and how to read the records. For reading the records, following commands. Here manager model view set is there. Model view set authorization colon token name is required. Yeah. Token also correctly passing. Or else I'll use Durga token for example. I think token any problem occurred, so I can use other token. Manager view setter. Manager view set is okay. Okay, the name is this one you have to use, sir. It's my mistake. Yeah, I understand. Name is this one actually. Correct. Now it will work. I'm taking this name actually, but this is not. This is the URL name correct. This is the manager user. Now it will work, sir, surely. You can see CLS. Anyway, I'll go to here and restart the server. It's my mistake, literally. Run server. So run server after that local window too, and you can see this. I'm trying to copy this now. So manager view set is there. Manager view set. The token is what? Actually, any token you can use now. I'm going to use still Mohan token only. Let me use this token. Any token you can use. Okay. Let me copy this token. Now this time it will work, sir. Will get record. Oh, didn't get records. Again, it is saying something. Give me 1 second. Authorization colon token. Manager view set. HTTP. It's everything is fine. We'll try with this in the REST app 14 actually. CD space REST app 14. Then you can copy. Token also you can copy. And final one I'm trying with this. Now we have no response, but it is coming clear. Same origin, but records are not there. Let me show you. Inside. We are not getting tokens. What's the problem actually here? Manager view set is there. Manager view set I'm using. Authentication token. Authentication token. Authorization. Everything is fine. I will try with another token. Now this time there is no error, but it is not showing anything. Give me 1 second. At last, I need to try with this for inserting record. At least we cannot read no. Right now, inserting record. I'll try. So this is for inserting record. Copy this. Manager view set is the view name. Manager view set is the name. Add, change this. I'm pasting terminal. Python space manage.py run server. Open new window. Token name you can pass it. Passing token name. I'm inserting name, address, mail, age, present. Record is inserted. You can see. Now record is inserted, sir, clearly. Reading also I'll show you. What is the problem? You can see record is inserted. Whether record is inserted or not, you can check out here the what we can say admin panel or else table only. So which record is inserted? Kumar record is inserted. Oh, record is not inserted. Address, age, ID, mail, name. Here it is showing inserted, but table is not affected. Address okay, mail okay, name okay. PowerShell. I think we have to go with this one, sir. I'll try to reinsert again. Just observe the copy. Before that, I should move to cd space rest app, put in and paste it. Token I'm using. Copy this token. Now I'm trying to input this token. Now record is inserted and refresh it. No record is inserted. Records are not affected, but it is showing inserted token. What's going wrong here? In the offline lecture, we did this application in correct manner. But what's going to happen here, I don't know. I'll try with last. Otherwise, we'll go with tomorrow's session. I can't show you. What is inserted? Refresh it. But there is no record. Let me refresh the table after deleting whether it is affected or not. No records in the stuff 14 manager. Okay, I don't want to waste that time. Okay, so anyway, we got how to generate tokens now today, and even we are trying to test this token using PowerShell. We are unable to do it, but I'll show you the solution for this. So it happened sometime. I expected only. All the time it will not work well, especially for token authentication. And tomorrow we'll see custom authentication, and if possible, I'll try to finish tomorrow this REST API. Immediately we'll start with Flask. But here model serializer and filtering. Oh, tomorrow not possible. Again, it will take 2 days. Filterings are there. Okay, fine. We'll make it success in today's session. This token authentication, how it is inserting, reading, everything I'll show you clear.